Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Mulan, the matchmaker scene. I'm just going to do the hair first. I did these buns in black, no adjustments, and then this hair, this like bang in black. Positioned it at 0.52, scaled it to 0.58, and then for this one I did bangs only, positioned it at 0.52 and scaled it to 0.58. For the hair tie, I used this headband in the first toggle, colored it to 913032, positioned it to x.5, y.69, z.68, rotated it at x.28, and scaled it to 0.14. Then I did this bow head thing. I don't know what it's called. I colored it this green, 063737, and then for the last one I did the 5A145, positioned it at x.54. I think I already did that just now. Did I? No. x.54, y.61, z.69, rotated it at y.0, z.62, and scaled it to 0.33. Then I did this flower in white and yellow, FFC052, and then positioned it at x.4, y.74, z.56, rotated it at x.69, y at 1, z at 0.52, and scaled it all the way down to 0. Now for the outfit, I am going to use this in this peach color. I think I did this color, FDB483, and then this, but in a lighter peach, FDE7E7. And then I think I colored that one a purple. God, I have to look at the reference again. Sorry. I don't think I saved that color. I did kind of this, but a little bit more pink in a sense. Okay, I'll do that. 66406F. And then I did this blue color, 3B4E69, and then I did this red, 913132, and then I did that red again. And then for the skirt area, I use this Ella skirt and long turn off ribbons, and I just use this color. It's pretty similar to what she has on. Theirs are so small now, it's pretty annoying, but anyways, I'll survive. And then also use the summer skirt in dress. I think I did that. I have to check what I'm wearing. And then we're going to go to VIP to use this one. And we're going to use this darker color, E5A394, and then this light blue color. It's actually a little bit jade-ish. It's a little bit green when I saw the picture. So we're going to do 99DCB4 for that. What did I use for the skirt? Somebody help me. Me not remembering is very funny. Well, I'm gonna just look at my pictures because I took a picture. Oh, okay. I used that skirt. What skirt is that one? What skirt is that one even? I think it's this one from VIP. I don't think it is, honestly. Oh, wait. I don't remember what I used, but I guess you can use this. I mean, it does cover it a little bit better than the one I had just now. So let's just toggle that to skirt. Why is there purple still? Oh, because I didn't toggle it to the third toggle. Great. I used one other skirt. What skirt? Hello, guys. Help me. What skirt did I use? Anyways, let's just do some other parts because I don't remember what skirt I had on. Oh, I then use these sleeves. Oh, I used this skirt in only skirt. Now I remember. Let's just remove this because it's a little bit too puffy, but then I have to turn on dress for this. Oh, okay. Alright. And then I use these sleeves. Where is it? In this color, the same color as the top. I just did everything the same color except for the last one. I'm just going to make it a little bit brighter, like this. And then for like the kind of scarf bit, I'm just going to use this in the veil toggle. Where is it? Oh, here. And just like the veil toggle here, in like this purple bluish color. I think I chose this one. And then I also used the Elsa dress, that's what I call it, in the second toggle in like a very light peach. So I just turned it up. So FDD 7D6. And then for the last piece, we just need to add on some earrings from the Valentine's Day collection. I just colored it a little bit more yellow. Maybe make it matte actually, because her ears are very, very yellow in the movie. And that's it. You can hold a fan, but it kind of looks weird with her sleeves because her sleeves are oversized because they don't fit her body. That's why, like, don't fit her arms, okay? Anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!